This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on the core sensors. Enable location services in Settings, Privacy and Security. Next, open Settings for the Google app and pick while using App or Always so Google can access GPS. Once done, connect to a known Wi-Fi network and enable Bluetooth. These help the phone triangulate quickly. Make sure low power mode is off because it can reduce location accuracy. This gets your device ready to present an accurate, changeable Google location. Now focus on the Google side. Open Google Maps or the Google app, tap your profile, then Location Settings to confirm location access and sharing settings. If you need Google to see a different city, use a trusted VPN to change your IP-based location. Make sure the VPN server matches the city you want. Also toggle Improve Location Accuracy or Google Location Accuracy so the app requests a fresh GPS fix. After changing network or VPN, force quit and reopen the app to apply. Finish by restarting the iPhone. A reboot forces a new location calculation. Then open the Google app and check your visible location. If it still shows the old place, sign out of your Google account and sign back in so account location metadata refreshes. If that fails, delete and reinstall the Google app to clear cached location data. One key troubleshooting tip: if accuracy is poor, toggle airplane mode on for 5 seconds. Then off, this resets radios and often corrects stuck locations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.